So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the bathrooms filter here on the apartments.com website. So once you're on apartments.com, I just want you to go type in your location. I will just type in Toronto for this demonstration. Once you're here, there's no filter set whatsoever. If you want to change the bathrooms filter, go to the top in between price and home type, press on bed/bath. Where it says baths, this is where you can go ahead and change it to whatever you want. So right now any is checked, but if you want to find a place that has 2+ bathrooms or even 3+ bathrooms, you can go ahead and change that. You can also go 1+ bathrooms as well, whatever the case may be. So for example, if you're really picky and you want a place with 3+ bathrooms, you can go ahead, change that filter, press on done, and then your search will be refined. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit bathroom filters here on the apartments.com website. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.